Okay, what I'm going to do today is, this is my shower accessory in my ensuite, and this is the one we use all the time. And as you can see in spots, see all these dark spots here? It's about 15 years old. And after all the thorough cleaning that my wife does every couple of weeks, it's all starting to fall out, and it needs regrouting. So what I'll end up doing is, I've got this tool here, and as you can see, it's got a bit of an edge on there, like a hacksaw blade, and it vibrates. So when I turn this button on, it'll vibrate. And I'll see if I can do a bit with one hand, so you can see. And as you can see right here, I just put this tool down on the ground. All right here, you can see where it's ripped it all out. So it's going to be a monotonous job. It's probably going to take me a couple of hours just to get rid of all that, and then I've got to clean it all up. Okay, after about 4 or 5 hours, I finished using the vibrator, and there's the mess. There's a fair bit, as you can see. If you have a look at all these grout holes, all been dug out. But what I'm going to have to do now is, I'm just going to grab this screwdriver. As you can see, it's just a little pointy one, and it fits inside it. All these grooves are pretty easy, but what I've got to do now is, just in these areas here, close up here, I've just got to dig out these areas here. So I'll go around and dig all these areas out here, all them in the corners over there, over here. So I just got to go around and dig all those areas out, and I'll just go around and run this all through it, just make sure there's no any loose bits inside there. So I'll go around and do all that. That'll probably take me a couple of hours now just to do that. I'll clean up all this mess. I'll sweep it up, and then I'll get the vacuum cleaner under it and clean it all up. And then once I've done that, I've got the mortar which I'll be mixing, and I'll show you as I put it in. Okay, I've cleaned it all up now, gone around with the screwdriver. You can see all these grout holes, gaps. They're all clean as, okay? Everything's clean. I'll just give everything just a quick sponge off, just nothing really major. Just get any more dust off that may be around the tiles or something like that. So I'm going to clean that off, and then I'll go get the mixture and we'll start grouting. Okay, I've finished all the grouting, I've cleaned it all up. This has been sitting for about 12 hours now. So as you can see, that grout looks absolutely stunning. Definitely going to score some brownie points from the missus now. So that should keep her happy for a couple of more days. So, yeah, pretty happy with the end result. Come up really good. So before I finish it, I'm also going to have to, there's little Remy, a new little fella. I've got some sealer there, so I'll wait a couple of days. They recommend 3 days. So I'll leave it for 3 days to totally dry out, and then I'll go around with a sealer and I'll paint all those joints. I'm back after 3 days. The grout has fully dried, obviously, and I'm going to seal all the grout. With this stuff, I've had it sitting in the garage for a couple of years, time to break it out, hence all the dust all over it. So what I'll end up doing is pouring that into a little container, and I'll paint it on. And because I'm only doing the shower accessory, and like, there's not a massive area to cover, I'm not going to use a big paintbrush and get a whole heap of wastage. I've got a couple of paint brushes down here, little tiny ones, which I use for automotive work. Okay, these are the 3 brushes that I'll be using first, but I'll try this one first. It's just a little one. This one's a bigger version of that one. Or I've got this daggy line one, where you drag it along. Here we go, the job's now all completed. As you can see, it's come up a real treat. Wife's real happy, so that's a bonus. And I'm sure you can see with the results it's come up great. I also installed a new one of these just to top it off. So if you got anything out of this video, please give me a like, it helps the channel move along. Roll, and the job's done. Don't have to worry about it for another, hopefully 10-15 years. Alright, thanks very much. And don't forget, have a crack at whatever it may be. See ya.